Okay, so this is try number 3 on trying to get all the crosses on the Rubik's Cube blindfolded, or just with my eyes closed. My cue is just kidding. We frequently quit viral nicotine Instagram rebels. All right. We'll start at 30 seconds. Go in here. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J is here. Go back, left, down, right, forward, clock, back, twice, right, down, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. And that's here, it's going to J. So that should be number 1. It's going to be right here. I believe it's blue and orange. So we got J, K, H, I, J, K is here. So we're going here, 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 here. Then we go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back, twice, right, down, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. It's here. You put it back down here. I, J, K. We're going this way, this way, this way, this way. Okay, so this is number 2. We got blue and yellow. And yellow. J, K, we. T, U, V, W, X. So that's this one. So we can go over here. And we can go up with it. We go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back twice, right, forward, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. Now it's here. Got it back to W, which is pretty simple. Go down twice, and then over here. Okay, so this should be green, number 3, green and yellow. Okay, just kidding. We, A, B, C, D, E. So it's going right here, so that needs to go down twice, up, forward, up, we go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, 1, 2, right, go down, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. And this needs to go here, so we go, how do I do this? Yep. Forward, back, there, 1, 2, okay. So that should be white and orange. That's number 4. Number 4, white, orange, okay. Just kidding. We frequently, so A, B, C, D, E, F. F needs to come here, so we're gonna go put it on that. And we go this way and up. We go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back twice, right, down, right, up, left, forward, reverse clock. That's F, it needs to go here, so we're going there, 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 there. Okay, so that's number 5. We should have orange. That's number 5. Orange and green. Green, orange. We frequently quit. Q is going to be here. Let me make sure. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, so Q is going to go both down, this one over, 1, 2. We're going to go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, right twice, forward, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. Okay, and that needs to go to Q, which is here. So we're gonna go down twice, over once, and then back up. So that should be white and green. And that's number 6. We frequently quit. 6. Okay. Viral nicotine. 6 there. Number 6. Okay. Viral UV. I think it's there. Let's check. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, so it's here. That should be an easy one. 2. We go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back, twice, right, down, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. That's here, and we need to go to the V. So go down 2, over 2. That should be number 7. 7 is going to be here. It's going to be yellow. And what side is that? Red, yellow. Okay, that's number 7. Just kidding. We frequently quit viral nicotine. And it's going to be over here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N is here. Let me just go. Boom. Boom. All right. Go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back twice, right, forward, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock. Now it's here. Now we need to go down and over. That should be N. That should be blue. And that's number 8. We can't do an 8. 5, 3. That should be blue and red. Blue, red. That's number 8. Viral nicotine. And then Instagram rebels. So A, B. It's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I roll down, 1 over, 1, 2, go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back twice, right, forward, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock, and it's going to here, so we go down twice, over, and both up. So that should be here, I, which is going to be blue and white. That's number 9, 5 plus 4, blue, white. Instagram, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yep. So we're going there. Back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back twice, right, forward, right, back, left, forward, reverse clock, and we're going facing me, back, down. Okay, so that should be here, which is going to be orange and yellow. Orange, yellow. And that was G. Instagram rebels. Last one. I think it's here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So right here. How do I do this one? We go over, down, forward, up. And we go back, left, forward, right, forward, clock, back twice, right, forward, right, back, left, forward, reverse. It needs to come to here, so we go, comes down, comes back, 1, 2, and then there. So that should be red and green. And that should be number 12, Instagram Rebel. So we should have white plus, orange plus, green plus, red plus, blue plus, yellow plus. Yes. 10 minutes. All right. First one, let's go.